All right, so I think if some people want to walk in, they need to be fast because we don't have much time. So what are we going to do today? We're going to do the one and only Java pub quiz. Who ever played a pub quiz before in a bar? Oh, a lot of people. Well, a lot of people know the rules already, but I'll walk through them, what the idea is and what the rules are. So a team can consist of a maximum of 4 people to compete with. Each team has 1 form, 1 pen, and we're going to do in the next 45 minutes 31 Java questions. Why 31? Yeah, because we came up with 31 questions. I completely automated this presentation, so there's an auto slide after 40 seconds. So this means for each question you got 40 seconds. We are ruthless, so if you don't know the answer, we go to the next one because we have limited time. After the entire round, everybody hands in. Thank you. Everybody hands the form to the neighboring team, and they will judge your score. And at the end, we'll walk through all the answers, of course. And the best team wins a nice prize, the team with the highest score. We double-check the scores, so if you sit next to your colleagues, we'll find you. Basically, this is not a serious talk. It's just to have a lot of fun. So have fun. There are a couple of rules that we need to attend to. It's not much rules, but you can't cheat. If we find you cheating, me or the other quiz masters find you cheating, there's a penalty to that. And we have a big stage here. We have a good microphone. We got a nice sound system. You need to sing a song. So if you sneak peek to the next team and take over the answer, if you use any device to Google to find the answer, you need to sing a song. Only the cheater needs to sing. Lonely here on this stage. And the most important rule, the quiz masters are always right, even if we're not. So let me introduce you to the host. My name is Ramon Wieleman. Together with Suyash, Patil and Vasco, Veloso, we made this pub quiz with the questions. But we need some other quiz masters. So Mats and Paco were willing to help us out. They are really strict, and they did a cheating course, how to detect cheating. So watch out. So I don't want to waste any more time. Everybody ready? All right. So it's auto slide. So here we go. Important, write your team name on the form. If there's no team name on the form, we'll find out that you need to sing a song as well. Ready? All right, 40 seconds per slide. And here we go. What was the original name of the Java language? A, pine, B, duke, C, oak, or D, lungo? Ooh, lots of rumors, lots of whispering. What's the magic number at the start of class files? Who's thinking, shit, I walked into the room? Question number 3. What does the following code print? A, true, B, false, or C, file not found? Question number 4. What's the final value of B? A, 10, B, 8, C, 4, or D, 42? Question number 5. What's the time zone for values handled as a Java time local daytime? A, none. B, the OS of the machine time zone. C, the user time zone. Or D, the Greenwich Mean Time. If you think, shit, I don't know one answer, there are 26 more questions to come. Question number 6. How's the project for bringing fibers, delimited continuations, and tail call elimination to the JVM called? A, Doom. B, Wolfenstein. C, Loom. Or D, Quake? Yeah, is it a hint or a slide? Or is it the trick one? You don't know. Ooh. Which languages are not officially supported on Grail VM? Multiple answers are correct. You get 1 point for one correct answer. If you got a wrong answer, 1 point will be devaluated from it. Question number 8. What will be displayed on the screen after the main method is executed like below? A lot of code, 40 seconds, clock ticking, pressure. Question number 9. How do you append text to string buffer object in Java? Oh shit, how does it work again? Raise your hand if you want a beer, then we'll bring some. Sorry? Oh shit. What does that code mean? Is it an unused local variables, parameters, and private methods? What do you mean? In Dutch?
Well, is it unused local because private method or are it unused private method? Because that's the answer, then it's true.
Good question.
Wasting your time.
Oh! I'll put it on the break. I just heard question number 10 is not on the form. Write question number 10 below, because it goes from 9 to 11. I didn't run a test on the form. So now we go to question number 11. How does the object hashcode quality influence the hash map performance? Ooh. Question number 12. What's a transient variable? Ja. Goeie vraag, hè? Later, dit zijn opwarmertjes. Question 13. The cool thing, there's actually Java beer. What's the difference between the equals method and the equals operator in Java? Question 14. Is allemaal goed tot nu toe? Question 15, next question. Which database is shipped with JDK 7 Plus?
Zet ik ze ook nog in de top 3 bij SBD?
New question, question 16, almost halfway. Which language feature is introduced in which Java version? So for each answer you need to give the right version number. So you need to fill in 4 answers here, so you can score 4 points. Question 17. What's the name of the new Java 9 linker tool? An open question this time. Which class is available in Java to generate cryptographically strong random numbers?
Even my mother knows.
Als je nu niet wint, dan is het echt een afgang, hè?
Nee, tuurlijk. Nee, maar dat is juist het probleem. Je moet juist. Nee, ik heb niks goed. We hebben overal gewoon. Ja, en een beetje onduidelijk. Crypto en onduidelijk. Crypto man. Yes.
Question 19. What did James Gosling announce last year at the DevOps Belgium during the opening keynote? Another question. Question 20. What's the result of the code below in Java 8 with default JVM settings? My favorite question and all-time classic in the Java pub quiz. Is the JVM-based big data tool or a Pokemon? So name for A to G, and I take some extra time for this question. If it's a big data tool or a Pokemon. Maybe you know your Pokemons instead of your big data tools. Oh, I'll go back. Another 40 seconds. Some interaction with the audience. How's it going so far?
We missed the first 8 questions.
Oh, that will affect the score dramatically. How's it going here?
Really well.
How many points so far?
Nou, wat denk je?
42.
42 points. Oh, that should be a winner. Question 22. What is Quarkus? A lot of talks about that today. See if you paid any attention. Question 23, picture round. Who's the author of the famous book Clean Code, a handbook of agile software craftsmanship? Who is who? And who's in the suit? Question 24, open question. What does the acronym REST actually stands for? Oh shit. No, 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 no.
Lopen zij weg, kun je even cheaten.
Je weet het kost.
Ja, deze laat ik even op.
Dat zou ik zingen.
Nee, maar ik weet alleen rechtspoel.
Heb je iets?
B is not the correct answer. I can give you that. Question 25. Choose the answer that best defines the single responsibility principle as it's used in software development.
Nee, oké. Ja. Of nee, makkelijker.
Question 26. An open question again. SETI-G was introduced in Java 11 and updated in Java 13. But what does this acronym stand for?
Nou, was Patil of zo.
Raise your hand if you want the beer. Oh, question 27. What's the name of this famous Java mascot? Minus 10 points if you don't know this one. Oh. It was close. It was half a song. Question 28. What is the Java Pub House? Is that a pub with daily Java pub quizzes in Amsterdam? Is the bar in Indonesia? Is the Java podcast for developer? Or is it the publisher of Java books? And the logo is displayed on the right. I know you've seen it somewhere, but where? Question 29. According to the Stack Overflow Developer Survey results 2019, which percentage of developers think that blockchain technology is a total waste of resources? Heb je een kleine survey gedaan? Kleine steekproef. Ooh, final two questions. Two coding questions. What's the result of compiling and running this class on Java 13? Two brain crackers to end. Je mag ze ook zo uitleggen.
Ja. Deze kan ik wel uitleggen.
Die andere niet.
Die volgende week, ik weet niet wat die volgende was.
Die andere 29 ook.
All right, another question. Looks the same, but it's another assignment. What's the result of compiling and running this class on Java 13?
Goede antwoord erbij kan ik hem uitleggen. Ik weet het denk ik wel. Ja, ik weet het wel.
It was easy until the last two questions. so that you all go home with some confidence. All right, that's it. So, 31 Java questions. Hand over your form to a neighboring team so that they can rate them. Show your hands if you want a drink, then my fellow quiz masters will give it to you. Sorry? Switch some forms. Everybody switch forms. All right. This is some bluffing. Who think his team won? Oh, a lot of people. Well, a lot of people will be disappointed. Ooh. I like the confidence. All right. Who's ready for some answers? Oh, first of all, what do you think of the quiz? Was it fun? All right. The answers. Here we go. Oh, I hear some arrogance here. I expect a 100% score. Let's wait and see. All right, the answers. Question number 1. Oak was the original name of the Java language. Ooh. I see the confidence draining down to this part of the room. Question number 2. The answer is B. Question number 3. B again. It prints false. Question number 4. B again. 8. We'll explain why after. Question number 5. There's no time zone. None. Question number 6. Misleading picture. But it sounded like it. It's loom. And answer number C. All right, who is judging a form that has a 100% score? Oh. Question number 7. Which languages are not officially supported? So you get 1 point for the correct answer. If you have a wrong answer, minus 1 point. For each answer. So 1 point for Pascal, 1 point for Lisp. And if you had 3 wrong answers, it's minus 3. Ooh. This question will make a difference and a lot of disturbance in the room suddenly. Funny thing is, during a session today we found out that Swift was officially supported, so it was a last minute change on the slide deck. Yes. Question number 8. C, infinity. Question number 9. C again. A pentest string. No, we always correct. Oh yeah. Yeah. Number 10. What does that code mean? Answer number A. Question number 11. Number C. Poor hash code can cause elements to be in a single bucket. Still 100% score somewhere? No. So you all got something to learn, right, when you go home? Question number 12. C. Properties of the class marked as transient are not required to be serialized. Number 13. B. All right. 14. B again. 14. B. Number 15. The Derby database is shipped with JDK 7 Plus, also known as the Java DB. Question 16. So for each one you get 1 point. So streams were introduced in Java 8. Static imports in Java 5. The try with resources statement is 7. And var args in 5. So 1 point for each correct answer. Yeah, so if you have A correct one, B 1, C 1. So you can get a maximum of 4 points. Huh? Yeah. Nee. Number 17. J-Link is the name of the new linker tool. Goed gedaan? Question 18. Secure random is the answer. All right. Number 19. Amazon Corretto, introduced by James Gosling last year at Devox. Will the father of Java be back this year? Who knows? Question 20. It prints true. Ja, straks, na afloop. We zitten op een strak schema. 20, yes, it's the Pokemon or Big Data tool. 1 point for each correct answer. Beedrill, Vulpix and Jinx are Pokemons. Yes, 1 point for each correct answer, so maximum of 7 points. Nee. A lot of points to score in this question. 22. Question 22. B. Quarkus is a Java web app framework. Number 23. Who is the author? The answer is C. Robert Martin, aka Uncle Bob. Oh ja. Ja, ik ben dyslectisch, dus soms haal ik het door elkaar, de volgorde. Oh, back to 22, it was B. And that's Uncle Bob. 24, what does REST stand for? It needs to be 100% correct to get a 1 point. Question 25. The single responsibility principle. Answer is B. A class should only have one reason to change. Ja, dat is zijn eigen inzicht. Dat laat ik aan de jury over. Ja. Question 26. Yeah, it was a trick question because it's the Z garbage collector. The Z garbage collector. Question 27. Duke, of course. Who got the answering form for... Who had the wrong answer on his form here on 27? Oh, minus 10. Minus 10. Question 28. It's a Java podcast for developers. They have like 70 podcasts worth listening to. Question 29. 15% thinks it's a total waste of resources. Krijg je meer? For question 30, I give the microphone to our host of today, Bert-Jan.
So I hope the correct answer is on the slide. Yes, it's print 2. So why is it print 2? Because the class is called static init. So it's fooling you that this is a static initialization block. So a static initialization block gets called when the class initializes, but a static initialization block has a static keyword. This does not have a static keyword, so this is a instance initialization block. So it only gets executed when you do a new static init. So therefore, only the main method is executed and it prints 2. Sorry for screwing this up for you. I meant to. You can try it in any JVM from 8 and up. You will get this result, trust me. So what does this do and why? So in the main method, first you add a shutdown hook, which gets executed when the JVM shuts down. Then there's a try finally. So the finally block always gets executed, right? Except when the VM exits. So what happens is the VM exits with an error code. It doesn't go through the finally block, and then the shutdown hook is executed, so you get shutdown hook only.
All right, that's it. So now write on the total score, so sum it up, and on the top right, write the total score. And when you wrote down the total scores, hand it to one of the amazing quiz masters in a jacket. Oh, behind you. We're checking the scores. It's a tight game. Ooh, we got equal scores. Ooh. A shootout can the teams of Maakt niet uit and the team of Net niet jammer dan come forward. Both teams have 31 points. Can the teams come forward to the stage, please? Yes. Oh. Will the youngsters beat the seniors? Who knows? We got a question. Please, can you give a form to each team? And write down how many classes are there in Java 11. How many classes are there in Java 11? Ooh. Closest answer wins the prize. All right. How many classes are there in Java 11?
30,000?
30,000. That's a lot. What does raise your hand if you think it's more than 30,000. If it's less? Ooh. We'll find out. What was your answer?
5,431.
5,432. Who of the audience think it's more than 5,400? Is it less? Who think it's less? All right, all right. Who think this team won? Who think this team won? The audience is always right. The correct answer was 4,411. Congratulations. Thank you. Gefeliciteerd. We've got you some amazing beers to drink at home. If your partner asks how many beers did you drink, you can say, well, just one. Thank you all for coming. I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate our session because we want to be the best rated session, of course. And enjoy the drinks afterwards. See you again.